ackwrite.com. Welcome, students! This video will show you how to easily enroll in your courses using the University of Goroka e-learning Moodle platform. Let's get started. First, navigate to the UOG e-learning Moodle page as per the link shown on the screen. Click Login at the top right corner of the screen. Type in your student ID number as your username, then your password. After that, click the Login button. To access the dashboard, click the menu icon in the top left corner of your screen. From there, select Courses, then click Search Course. Enter the course code or course name into the search bar and click the search icon. Once the results appear, simply click on the course title to proceed. Once you're on the Enrollment Options page, scroll down to the field labeled Enroll Me. Enter the enrollment key that your lecturer shared with you, then simply click the Enroll Me button to finalize your access. When you see the confirmation message, "You are enrolled in the course," you're all set. Take a moment to scroll through the page and familiarize yourself with the layout and upcoming resources. Happy learning! To help us create more videos like this, please like and subscribe.